You might be wondering why I chose video translation as the focus for making money in this video, out of all possible works. The answer lies in the endless opportunities this field provides. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Rev.com, and others let you work from anywhere at any time, set your prices, and work on a variety of projects. You can choose the more popular platforms that offer various services like Fiverr or Upwork, or go with specialized sites that focus solely on translation services, like Rev.com, HappyScribe.com, VTech.com, AImedia.tv, CaptioningStar.com, CrowdSurfWork.com, VanonCaptioning.net. If you haven't heard of these platforms before, I enjoy showing the results of my own work to prove that these platforms are profitable. I joined Fiverr in the past because it's an easy-to-use platform suitable for beginners. I set up my account well, and after a few days, I received a private message from a new client requesting my service. Even though I didn't dedicate much time to Fiverr, I made $343 in just a few days. If you search for translations now, you'll see people offering this service at high rates and with a lot of demand, proving this is a sought-after field. And if you think creatively, you'll find plenty of ideas to make money through video translation. And as you know, you won't be doing the translation yourself, thanks to AI. Many people who want to work in translation struggle because they aren't fluent in multiple languages, and manually translating a single video could take hours or even days. If they try to use online translation platforms, they often face problems like limits on video length, limited language support, low quality, and other issues. Solve all these issues with one tool: Hitpaw Edimakor. Imagine this program alone includes more than 100 tools, making video editing easier and more professional. It has an impressive set of features, from AI-generated video creation, script generation, subtitle addition, audio and video editing, to even creating animated avatars. You can remove backgrounds, screen record, change voiceovers, and even adjust video speed using speed ramping to get cinematic effects. It also includes transitions, filters, and other essential video editing elements. AI plays a big role here, as it can create videos from ideas and text, automatically generate subtitles, and translate them into 35 languages with professional, synchronized voice dubbing. This means you can reach global audiences and make videos feel tailored to each one, without needing to master every language or rely on costly, time-consuming manual translations. Listing every feature would take too long. You can try it for free, but a subscription is recommended to unlock all features. I'll leave the link in the first comment and description box. Once you open it, you'll see this interface. Click on Pricing to view the rates, where you'll find 3 affordable plans with excellent features. I also brought you a promo code for 30% off, which you'll find in the first comment as well. To download the program, click Get Started for free, then download it. If you subscribe, make sure to register with the same email you use for the subscription, so your account shows as paid with these points displayed as well. To create your first video, click here. Hitpaw Edimakor is not as complicated as you might think. It has a very simple interface. For example, I chose an Arabic video to translate to English, and I'd love to hear your thoughts.
أجلس على طاولتي أوراق مبعثرة أقلام متعبة وروحي تنافسها في التعب مع كل ورقة أسأل نفسي لما علي هذه الأشياء لما علي حفظ هذه الأشياء
Upload the video you want to translate here, then click Subtitles. For the first option, leave it on auto, and for the second option, choose the language you want to translate to. I'll pick English here. Then choose a nice subtitle style like brown, for example. And finally, click on auto subtitling. As you can see, this only cost me 25 points out of the 2,000 points available. After waiting about 1 minute, here's the result.
أجلس على طاولتي أوراق مبعثرة أقلام متعبة وروحي تنافسها في التعب مع كل ورقة أسأل نفسي لما علي هذه الأشياء لما علي حفظ هذه الأشياء والاختبار بها. العالم يضج بالمال بالثروات والرحلات وأنا هنا اليوم بين أوراقي. درجة الوصول والتحقيق، درجة التفرد في المقدمة، درجة الإبداع وصنع التغيير، درجة تحقيقك لما أراد الله لعقلك أن يكون. من كل البشرية، من كل الناس الذين تراهم 3% فقط في هذه الدرجة. ولكن ما علاقة هذه الدرجات بحديثنا، بدراستي، بشهادتي؟ اسمع هذه الجملة جيدا جيدا جيدا.
Honestly, the site provides very high-quality results. Even when I downloaded the video, it kept the high resolution and the subtitles were incredibly accurate. You can edit the subtitles however you like. With just a few easy steps and no hassle, we've translated a video and can now offer video translation services on freelance platforms with ease. And so far, we've only seen one feature inside Hitpaw Edimakor. I haven't even told you about the attractive background options that are trending or the video downloading feature, which supports over 1,000 sites including YouTube and Facebook. Plus, you can record screens, whether gaming or other applications, and much more. Thank you for watching this far. If you liked the program, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to try it out now. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. This was Mr. Minato with you.